If you want to play in a private session with your friends only, all you have to do is simply pause the game if you're in a lobby, and then go to the online section, and then within the online section scroll down and select find new session. Select that, and then all you have to do is select invite only session, or you can simply choose a closed friends session. So you can select that and then select OK. And then once you're in the closed friends session, all you have to do, you can now invite your friends to play with you together. So to do this, all you have to do is pause the game again and then select friends. And then from here, find the friend that you'd like to invite. So let's say, for instance, this particular one, you can simply select them, and then you can simply select send game invite. And then once they accept your game invite, they'll automatically join into your session. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.